Buckle up and get ready to learn why legally paying your nanny is a win-win for everyone involved. It's easy to get caught paying under the table. All it takes is your nanny filing for unemployment if they lose their job, or filing a workman's comp claim if they're hurt while working. If you haven't been paying your taxes, there could be some heavy legal and financial ramifications. For the employer, avoiding hefty fines, penalties, payment of back taxes, and potential lawsuits by paying your nanny on the books keeps you free and clear. What about getting caught evading taxes and how it will impede upon your career mobility and jeopardize security clearances? Also, you may be eligible for tax credits or deductions related to childcare expenses that can significantly reduce or even eliminate your household employment tax obligation. Many of the best nannies out there won't even work with families that pay under the table, and we know you only want the best for your children. As a nanny, they will become eligible for unemployment insurance should they lose their job at no fault of their own, and a workman's comp if they are hurt or injured on the job. This also allows them to build towards their retirement and healthcare benefits. Without them, they may need to work past retirement age to be financially secure. And what about them having the ability to apply for credit or qualify for car loans and mortgages and demonstrate proof of income when looking for an apartment or buying a home? We make nanny taxes and payroll easy for thousands of families across the country. If you're avoiding legal pay because it seems like a big hassle and too confusing, GTM Payroll can help. We have automatic payroll processing, free direct deposit, and all withholdings are taken care of for you. And we have a suite of healthcare and other employee benefits that help you to attract and retain your caregivers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Click that notification bell to be notified when our next video is live. If you want to learn more, visit gtm.com/household. And in the meantime, here are 2 videos I think you might like.